everyone, today's vlog is about my trip from Ahmedabad to Goa with a quick layover at Bangalore airport. And I'm super excited to explore the beaches of Goa. So let's get started. We took a noon flight from Ahmedabad and the weather was perfect. And the view from the windows was stunning. After a smooth flight, we landed at Bangalore airport. We started our journey by flying into Goa's airport. That's all for the travel part of this vlog. In the next one, I will take you along as we visit some of the most beautiful beaches and explore the local culture in Goa. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is my birthday. We arrived at the hotel last night but I couldn't shoot anything then. So now let me show you a bit of the hotel. Our hotel name is Golden Eye and our hotel is near Calangute Beach. It is in North Goa. So I have taken a shower and this is my birthday dress. And now I am going to do a little bit of makeup. Now we are going to explore Goa. Actually, we came for a week, but due to an emergency, we only have 2 days. So we will try to explore as much as we can. So our first destination is Chapora Fort, where a lot of movies have been shot. Trust me, it is really beautiful, and you must visit it whenever you come to Goa. After a lot of traffic, we finally reached at Baga Beach. And there was quite a crowd here as well. Peace you expect at a beach wasn't there. So we left quickly. And Calangute Beach is near our hotel, so we decided to go there instead. And as soon as we reached the hotel, I cut my birthday cake at the hotel cafe. But since the cake had melted, my expression became a bit odd. Whatever I feel just shown on my face. I can't fake happiness.
Happy birthday, Kritika. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
But my husband really made me feel very special on my birthday. Actually, he makes me feel special every day ever since he came into my life. Everything has gotten better. I truly feel very lucky to have such a wonderful husband. And my parents have also given me so much love and still do. I just hope everything stays the same and no will I affect us. After that, we enjoyed our candlelight dinner. It was a really great experience. I tried to shoot as much as I could, but I often forget to capture many things. I hope you liked it. If you did, please enjoy the rest of my Goa series the same way. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon. Good night. Bye bye. Take care. Hey everyone, it's day 3 in Goa and we started a day with morning tea. Well, I did because Vishal is more into in coffee. Our first destination today was Para Road and it is also known as Dear Zindagi Road. Then after clicking the photos, we left from there. And just look at the crowd here. This is a road where vehicle pass by. And in between, look at the line for taking photos and videos. But seriously, यहाँ की वाइब ही कुछ और है. जब हमने गोवा का प्लान किया तो काफ़ी लोगों ने कहा कि तुम पार्टी पर्सन नहीं हो, मत जाओ, मज़ा नहीं आएगा. पर आप बिल्कुल गोवा आ सकते हो और घूम सकते हो. वो तो हमारे पास टाइम नहीं था, नहीं तो मैंने और भी लिस्ट बना के रखी थी कि हमें कहाँ कहाँ जाना है. मैंने जो जो जगह की लिस्ट बना के रखी थी अपने नोटपैड में, मैं उसका स्क्रीनशॉट वीडियो में डाल देती हूँ, आप देख लें. Then after we went to Fountain Street which is in Panjim and ये काफ़ी इंस्टाग्रामेबल था बट वेरी वेरी ओवर क्राउडेड. मैं भी इसे इंस्टाग्राम पे देख कर ही गई थी. और आप कभी भी गोवा आओ तो आप टू व्हीलर से घूमना, उसी में मज़ा आती है और इजीली 300-400 पर डे पे मिल जाती है. Then we went to the old lady church and I actually like churches क्योंकि मैं जो स्कूल में थी वहाँ पे था तो मैं जाया करती थी, तो मुझे पसंद है चर्च. फिर चर्च से निकलते हमें एक मंदिर दिख गया ब्यूटीफुल सा. फिर हमें ना यहाँ गूगल मैप के सहारे ही जाना पड़ता है और मेरे वजह से हम रास्ता भटक गए थे. हमें ही नहीं पता था हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं और बहुत ही खोपचे खोपचे वाले रास्ते से हम निकले. बट रास्ता भटकने का एक अच्छा चीज़ ये हुआ कि हमें एक ऐसा रोड मिला जहाँ पे ऐसे एक साइड ऐसे रिवर थी और एक ही रोड था. फिर हम पहुंच गए हमारे होटल के कैफ़े और हमने थोड़ी पेट पूजा की. उसके बाद हम गए नाइट मार्केट, कैलिंगेट मार्केट. पहले हमने काजू लिए, उसके बाद थोड़ी और शॉपिंग की. Then we didn't feel like eating much, so we just had some soup and with that just end the vlog. I hope you liked it. If you did, please enjoy the rest of my Goa series the same way. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's my last day in Goa. So let me give you a quick room tour. फिर गोवा में आकर हमारी बीच फ़ोटोग्राफ्स तो रह ही गई थी, तो हमने फटाफट फ्रेश होके नहा धो के बीच पे चले गए. और थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश भी आ रही थी बट हमसे जितना ट्राई हुआ हमने फ़ोटो वीडियोस ली. फाइनली सुबह में हम अहमदाबाद पहुंच गए और ब्रेकफास्ट किया पोहा, और घर जाके मैंने बनाई थी खिचड़ी, क्योंकि मैं बहुत बहुत मिस कर रही थी खिचड़ी।